Dear students, at the time of assessment, I found that you all are making a lot of mistakes during the use of articles. So I decided to teach you all about articles again. As you all know that a, an and the are articles. Are you ready to learn about articles? Yes? Let's start. Using articles. What is an article? Basically, an article is an adjective. Like adjectives, articles modify nouns. English has two articles, the and a or an. The is used to refer to specific or particular nouns. A or an is used to modify non-specific or non-particular nouns. We call the definite article and a or an the indefinite article. So, the is equal to definite article, a or an is equal to indefinite article. For example, if I say, let's read the book, I mean a specific book. If I say, let's read a book, I mean any book rather than a specific book. Here's another way to explain it. The is used to refer to a specific or particular member of a group. For example, I just saw the most popular movie of the year. There are many movies, but only one particular movie is the most popular. Therefore, we use the before the name of the movie. A or an is used to refer to a non-specific or non-particular member of the group. For example, I would like to see a movie. Here, we are not talking about a specific movie. We are talking about any movie. There are many movies and I want to see any movie. I don't have a specific one in mind. Normally, we use a or an to refer to something or the first time. For example, we went to a museum in Paris. We ate at the museum. Here, first time we use a before museum. But when we are using the word museum again, we are using the because we have already introduced the word museum earlier. Indefinite articles a and an. A and an signal that the noun modified is indefinite, referring to any member of a group. For example, my daughter really wants a dog for Christmas. This refers to any dog. We don't know which dog because we haven't found the dog yet. Somebody call a policeman. This refers to any policeman. We don't need a specific policeman. We need any policeman who is available. When I was at the zoo, I saw an elephant. Here we are talking about a single non specific thing, in this case, an elephant. There are probably several elephants at the zoo, but there's only one we are talking about here. Remember using a or n depends on the sound that begins the next word. So, a plus singular noun begins with a consonant, a boy, a car, a bike, a zoo, a dog, etc. N plus singular noun beginning with a vowel, an elephant, an egg, an apple, an idiot, an orphan. A plus singular number beginning with a consonant sound. A user sounds like user, that is begins with a consonant Y sound, so A is used. Example: a university, a unicycle. Remember that this rule also applies with you use acronyms. Do you know what is acronyms? Short form of anything is called acronyms. You also call it abbreviation, like MA means Master of Art, MSc Master of Science, like this. If the noun is modified by an adjective, the choice between A and N depends on the initial sound of the adjective that immediately follows the article. A broken egg, an unusual problem, a European country sounds like European. Here, European starts with E but sound like consonant yer, begins with consonant sound. Remember too that in English the indefinite articles are used to indicate membership in a group. I am a teacher. I am a member of a large group known as teachers. Brian is an Irishman. Brian is a member of the people known as Irish. Seiko is practicing Buddhist. Seiko is a member of the group of people known as Buddhist. Students, in my next video, I will explain about definite article, that is the. Stay safe at your home.